Hello friends, welcome to Bankers platform. So friends, today we have come with a new video, and in this video we will discuss the important questions for certified credit professional exam. So let's start some of the important questions. So friends, here are the questions. So question number one is impact of financial sector reform on bank credit led to the following, except abolition of credit authorization scheme, abolition of selective credit control, abolition of priority sector lending. Bank were free to take credit decisions as per credit policy of the bank. तो फ्रेंड्स आपको यहाँ पे बताना है कि जो इम्पैक्ट है फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर रिफॉर्म्स का, ओके, बैंक क्रेडिट पे, उसमें कौन सा रिफॉर्म है, इन 4 पॉइंट में से कौन सा है जो रिफॉर्म नहीं था. ओके, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. करेक्ट आंसर विल बी third, that is abolition of priority sector lending. So priority sector lending को abolish नहीं किया गया था. It was not a part of impact of financial sector reform. Okay, so other were the impact, that abolition of credit authorization scheme, selective credit control, and this was also impact that bank were free to take credit decision as per credit policy of the bank, and bank has given like priority to the priority sector lending. It's not a abolition. So third is the correct answer. Let's see next question. Question number two. Which of the following policy help in identifying significant discrepancy in the reported levels of impairments with actual position? Okay, our options are asset quality review, credit authorization scheme, scheme for sustained structuring of stress asset, selective credit control. तो फ्रेंड्स आपको बताना है कि वो कौन सी पॉलिसी है जिसकी विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट पॉलिसी जो है आइडेंटिफिकेशन, जो डिस्क्रिपेंसी की जो आइडेंटिफिकेशन है वो पॉसिबल हो सकी. ओके, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट द करेक्ट आंसर. करेक्ट आंसर इज फर्स्ट, दैट इज एसेट क्वालिटी रिव्यू. Let's see third question. Question is each of the following factor determine type of deposit and period of placement except safety, income, cost, convenience. And the correct answer is except cost. Other features are important for the type of deposit and period of placement, that is safety, income, and convenience. Okay, let's see next. Question number four. Which of the following statements on stages in credit management is least accurate? तो आपको बताना है इनमें से कौन सा जो पॉइंट है वो लीस्ट एक्यूरेट है. आइडेंटिफिकेशन, अप्रेजल, सैंक्शन, डिसबर्सल, मॉनिटरिंग एंड रिकवरी आर important steps in credit management. Procedures are same for each product and delivery channel. Credit appraisal and sanction and credit monitoring and recovery are separately undertaken. The credit department markets credit एंड मैनेजेस ट्रांजेक्शन इन द अकाउंट. तो फ्रेंड्स आपको बताना है कि इन पॉइंट्स में से जो है क्रेडिट मैनेजमेंट टॉपिक से रिलेटेड विच पॉइंट इज लीस्ट एक्यूरेट. ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज सेकंड, दैट इज प्रोसीजर्स आर सेम फॉर ईच प्रोडक्ट एंड डिलीवरी चैनल. तो फ्रेंड्स ऐसा नहीं है, जो भी डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनके लिए जो है प्रोसीजर सेम नहीं होते हैं एंड डिलीवरी चैनल इज नॉट सेम. लाइक इफ somebody is taking retail loan, तो रिटेल लोन में जो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन है, जो प्रोसेस है, दैट विल बी डिफरेंट. एंड इफ somebody is taking cash credit facility, so there will be a difference. Somebody is taking agriculture loan, so these different products are having the different procedures. Okay, so second will be the correct answer. It is the least accurate in credit management. So let's see next question. Question number 5. Safety of funds is one of the important principle of lending. Banks, while lending, must ascertain each of the following except. Okay, तो friends, safety of fund जो है वो बहुत ही important है. So what are the main point that bank has to follow except? Okay, the borrower has adequate repayment ability. The project funded generates adequate revenue. Borrower's capacity to raise funds from other sources. Borrower's character and credit rating. तो आपको बताना है फ्रेंड्स व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज थर्ड, दैट इज बोरोर्स कैपेसिटी टू रेज फंड्स फ्रॉम अदर सोर्सेज. सो इट इज नॉट important that whether borrower is able to raise from other sources fund. Okay, so other points are important for safety of fund, that is borrower has adequate repayment ability. borrower जो है वो पैसे दे पाएगा या नहीं दे पाएगा. ओके, सेकंड इज प्रोजेक्ट फंडेड, जो भी हम प्रोजेक्ट फंड कर रहे हैं उससे जो है एडिक्वेट रेवेन्यू जो है वो जनरेट होना चाहिए, एंड बोरोर्स कैरेक्टर एंड क्रेडिट रेटिंग, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो दीज थ्री points are important, but this point is not important, okay, for safety of fund. Let's see next question. Question number 6. Which of the following credit appraisal tool help predict the solvency of a firm? So friends, आपको बताना कि अगर solvency हमें किसी firm की find out करनी है तो कौन सा appraisal tool use कर सकते हैं? Our options are NPV, break even analysis, sensitivity analysis, Altman's Z score. So let's see what is the correct answer, and the right answer is fourth. That is Altman's Z score. This is very important tool for understanding to predict the solvency of a firm. Okay, so let's see next question. Question number 7. Banks have adopted following strategies to tackle NPA issue except. तो फ्रेंड्स एनपीए को टैकल करने के लिए जो है कौन सी स्ट्रेटजीज जो है बैंक अडॉप्ट की है? Except, okay, corporate debt restructuring, sale of impaired assets to ARC, credit authorization scheme, one-time settlement. So let's see what the correct answer, and the right answer will be third, credit authorization scheme. तो friends ये part नहीं है NPA management का, other are the part. Okay. So next is eighth question. Choose the right option. MCLR is the threshold rate below which bank cannot lend, interest rate paid by the borrower, the rate charged by the RBA for borrowing by the bank, the base rate to which risk premium is added to obtain lending rate. So let's see what the right answer, and the correct answer is first, that is the threshold rate below which banks cannot lend. तो friends जो MCLR rate है, that is the threshold rate, उससे नीचे जो है बैंक किसी को भी lend नहीं कर सकता है. Okay, so friends, what is the full form of MCLR? That is also important. So write in the comment section what is the full form of MCLR. So friends, this is the set of 8 questions, and I hope so these are very beneficial for you. So this is the end of the quiz. Okay, so let's submit the quiz, and here our score is 100%. Okay, and passing score is 70%. So it was the overall 8 questions were there. So let's review. Okay, so in review, you can see all of the answer I have already given. So some of the explanation is given that you can see. Okay, priority sector lending is still in working. Okay, it's not abolished. AQR, asset quality review, supplement existing supervisory provision. It help identify significant discrepancies in the reported levels of impairments with actual position. Okay, this safety, income, and convenience determine the type of deposits and the period of placement. Procedures are distinct for each product and delivery channel. Okay, ensure safety of fund. So this safety of fund. So these 4 points are there. Borrower has adequate repayment ability. Project funded generate adequate revenue, and borrower's character. Okay. So friends, this we have taken from the IIBF learning course of this certified credit professional. So this is not our own material. This is a disclosure that this is taken from the IIBF course only for education purpose, so that you can have an overview. And if you're preparing for this exam, you can take this course while registering for the exam of certified credit professional, because this course is available. You can go in that and you can do these questions. Okay, which of the following? Altman score predicts solvency of a firm in next 2 years. This is very important point. Okay, credit authorization scheme is not a part of NPA. Okay, so banks have adopted multiple strategies like CDR, sale of impaired assets, one-time settlement, provisioning to tackle NPA. And this eighth one is MCLR. MCLR is threshold rate below which banks cannot lend. Okay, so to this rate, term premium is added to arrive at the lending rate. Okay, so thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.